Well, what's up, guys? I bought a MacBook Air for a change for my workflow. I've been a long time Windows user. And you know what? I decided to get a MacBook Air. It's because of its portability, where they fit power inside a small device. And I move a lot nowadays. This comes with a power brick 35 watts with a braided cable for fast charging. This comes with a crystal clear 13.6-inch screen display. The ports come with the standard MagSafe fast charging and two USB-C Thunderbolt 4 for plugging other devices and charging as well. An audio jack for your speakers or your headphones. This also comes with a fingerprint for your security. The camera is a 12 megapixel at 1080p. It weighs 1.24 kilos and 1.13 thickness. It comes with a backlit, very good keyboard which I like to type and enhances your typing skills. Joke. I really like this keyboard. Well, that is your MacBook Air M4. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video, guys. See you on the next video.